couple of days ago, I made a video about the Autel EVO release is closer than we think. Now, a couple of people have already cited that the EVO has entered mass production state, and a couple of days ago, Frank from Carolina Drones posted a video to his Facebook account at their grand opening of their new store, actually, and had Autel out there demoing the EVO. There's a lot of hype around this drone, and I'm not really trying to add to it, but I just want to point out some of the best places where you can buy the Autel EVO as soon as it launches. So in today's video, we're going to talk about my top 4 places where you can order the EVO when it's available. What is up, everybody? I'm Original Dobo. Welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. If you are new here, consider hitting that subscribe button at the end of this video. So when the EVO finally becomes available to ship, there's going to be about 4 places where you can order from. I'm going to rank these 1, which you should definitely order from, to 4, which should be your last option. So let's start off with my number 4 option to order the Autel EVO, and that is Droneworks. Droneworks is a pretty reputable source when it comes to ordering drones. They do have it to where you can pre-order. It's $149 right now. You pre-order and they will bill you when it's actually ready to ship, which is definitely a little bit more pricey than the others that I've seen. But I mean, it's $149, so you're almost, sort of have a payment already made to your drone, which is sort of cool. But Droneworks would be my number 4 choice. There's no ETA as far as how their stocking level is going to be. Another reason why I would consider them is because they did get hands-on time with the Autel EVO, so that's a good indicator that Autel is going to stock and replenish them pretty quickly. My number 3 choice to purchase this drone would be Adorama camera. Now, Adorama's been around for quite a while, just like B&H Photo. A lot of times too, you don't have to pay tax when you order from these shipping companies or these retailers, just because of their state laws and the way they participate in internet sales. Adorama camera would definitely be my number 3 choice. Right now it's $999 on their website. They don't bill your credit card till it actually ships, so there's no need for a pre-order. I have not seen anything whether they've gotten their hands on time or what their stocking levels would be, so that's very much an unknown at this point. So they're definitely number 3. Now, B&H Photo has been around for a very long time, and they're super reputable in the camera industry. Not only that, again, just like Adorama camera, you don't have to pay tax if you are outside of the New Jersey, New York area, if I'm not mistaken, which is awesome. If you want to go ahead and get the EVO and just pay $999, you can definitely do that. Now, a lot of times B&H Photo is typically very quick to put things up for pre-order. So you want to be careful because we don't know their stocking levels, but they are a very reputable company. They also don't ship or process any orders on the weekends. So if you place an order with B&H Photo, keep that in mind that Monday through Friday is when their orders process due to religious reasons. And then my number 1 place where I would pre-order from, and I actually did pre-order from, is Carolina Drones. After watching Frank's video, I sort of changed my mind about whether or not I should put money down on this drone. He made me feel good about purchasing a drone, and he made me feel good about purchasing a drone with them. He just totally immersifies himself in the drone industry, and I think that speaks volumes. Not only that, yeah, it's easy to go ahead and give Amazon my money if they did have the drone ready and available to ship, but I think that defeats the purpose of supporting small business. And this is a community, and Frank is very much a part of this community, so I feel really good about supporting his business and pre-ordering my drone with them. Not only that, if you watch this video, he also asked him if he can throw the drone in the mold machine that he has to be able to make cases. So if you're looking to get a case right out of the gate, he's probably going to have access to some of the first accessories that will be available for this drone. And I only say that because the Autel EVO comes with like this styrofoam travel case, which is great, but it's not going to be super portable. And he's going to be able to give you something that's a little bit more substantial. So Carolina Drones, it was $75. I went ahead and put a pre-order in for it, and they'll basically email you when it's ready or available to ship, and then you just have to pay your remaining balance, which I think is very fair. Again, I know I sort of heeded people's warning with placing a pre-order, but that was before we knew that it was going to be in a production state. Now it's in production state. I feel much more confident saying, choose one of these vendors if you want to place a pre-order. I'm not waiting for Amazon at this point because they don't show any signs of life with shipping this drone. I hope it's great when it ships. I'm also going to probably order a battery. They're $99, which is pretty fair for a 30-minute of flight. battery. That's awesome. It'd be cool to also see if they have chargers that can handle 3 batteries at once, or maybe even battery controller. We'll have to wait and see. Still a lot of unknowns, but it's getting close, getting excited. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button. If you already haven't and you've been around here a couple times, hit the subscribe button. What are you waiting for? It's free. I'm Original Dobo, reminding you to stay original. We'll see you next time. I don't say peace. That's not right. I'll just